Hey, welcome to the Pro Hosty, and in this video I will show you how you can create your free business email like info@prohosty.com, and like you can create your own email info@yourdomain.com, and it will very simple process. You can create your email just following these videos. When you purchase hosting from Pro Hosty, then you get 6 email and 10 email and unlimited email option from according plan. So log in your Pro Hosty account. When you log in, you get option for manage hosting. When you click manage hosting, you get option for login to cPanel account. Click on login to cPanel account. It will log in your cPanel account via API without required any password. Find here email option or type here email. When you type email here, so it will show you a email account option here. When you click email account option, here you can get a create button where you can create your email account. When you click on create button, it will show this kind interface, and here you can select your domain. I will add 3 domains, but I will select my primary domain as a email account. When you switch this, it will automatic switch your domain here, but I will show you in demo, so I will show this is a demo. And here I will type like you can create anything like info, support, contact, etc. When you click it, for security you need to generate a password. Generate here. After this video I will change this password for security purpose. uh, and here you can set your email storage. Basically this storage used for your attachment and etc. So if you want set is 1 GB, otherwise you can also able to set it unlimited, but it will consume your hosting storage, so remember these things. And here you can get a send a welcome email with instruction to set up a mail client, where you can set up your email with another providers like Outlook and etc. I will show you in next video. And here you can get a create button. Click here. When you click, it will create your email account here, and you can get a check email options where you can log in your web mail via your cPanel account, and here you can check your emails. So select round cube is the best option. I will use always round cube. And now you can get your email is open right now. And here you can get manage option, and you can also able to delete your email if you want. I will show you. Click on delete and it will confirm again. Click on delete button, and here you get a message successfully it will delete it. So this method to follow to create your email account and manage it. We will meet in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a great day.